Hi everyone! Today I'm trying a new product from Essence. This is the Glow Serum Glycerin Lip Treatment, shade 01, Glow for it. It says K-Beauty inspired, which is interesting. It's basically glycerin, but with a bit of glow. Personally, the packaging isn't very convenient for me. When you twist it, a lot of product comes out and it doesn't really stop. You apply it with your fingers, which isn't the most hygienic, but still, the product makes sense. The texture feels like classic glycerin, almost like a Vaseline type balm, but lighter. I actually like it. The packaging is cute, the color is pretty, and the glow looks really nice in the sunlight. There are 3 versions of this glycerin from Essence. Would you use a product like this?